Hey, what's up guys? Today I got the brand newest Match Tax 2012-2013. Today it came out in stores, but it came out last week on the magazines, and I just got this from the magazine today. So tomorrow I'll probably go with my mate to get some. I really like collecting them. I just collect them for jokes. I want to. Because there's some guy that I trade with, he's so shit, and then extra jokes, and then hopefully, I think I sold a lot of them, but yeah. I'm going to show you the back of it, and the newest team that just went to the Premier League, Southampton. I bet you can hear the thingy noise. What do you call it? What do you call it? Why? What do you call it? PS3. But oh well, never say never. Yeah. Okay. I found something new on it. No. Oh my God. Just font. What does it say? Yeah, and guys, when I prestige, I'll probably show you a video when I prestige, because I'm level 74 now. So yeah, it won't take that long. Powerhouse. That's what I found new. That's really interesting. So yeah, 66 defense and 23 attack. Tottenham player. Let me try to pronounce his name. Jan Berton, whatever. What is his name? Challenger. 78 defense and 30 something attack. 35 attack. I just came from school. Cause you could check about it. Can you check it about it? Okay. Yeah. This guy is epic. What's the name? I forgot. Hayton Ben Arthur. He's a freestyler and 37 defense and 79 attack. What's a minute? It's my notebook. I don't really write in it, I just take it to school. We all have to have one. Right. I've actually got 3 of the same ones. Sure. Sasha Reefer. Fulham, 69 defense, 49 attack, and Challenger. Now the last one, and not least the best, Jack Wilshere. I was hoping I knew because I spoke my name, but he's awesome as well. Jack Wilshere, playmaker, Arsenal, 64 defense and 76 attack. Look, this is my silver notebook, the one that I use. I got it new. Now I didn't use this one. Yeah, I did. My handwriting is awful. But yeah. Awful. But yeah. I don't really write, I talk about work. I just write end-of-free stuff. I show it to my teacher, and my teacher gets pissed. That's my new one. I've got red and blue. I'll show you right now. Wait a sec. Red notebook. And the blue notebook. I got all 3 of these for £1. Isn't that cheap? Shit. Did you not just see it in my face?